If you run business adverts for individual, that means you need to manage multiple Facebook business pages and ad accounts. So this video will interest you. In this video, I'll be telling you how to create and showing you how to create Facebook Business Manager, because that's what you need to manage these multiple accounts and also assign roles to other people that will help you to do the job and also add users to it. So in this video, I want to make it very simple and practical. So we'll be getting into the video right away. Before we do that, I want you to help me to make other people to see this video. So if this video is valuable to you, please click on the like button so as to make it possible for other people to see this video. And also, if you are getting something from this channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and also turn on the bell notification icon so as to receive video as soon as I upload on this channel. So today, we're talking about how to create business manager. This is what you need to be able to manage multiple accounts, and it's one of the safest way to manage Facebook business pages using Facebook Business Manager. And it's not everybody that needs to have a business manager. The only people that needs this is if you want to run adverts as a business. If you want to do this as a business, if you have a social media marketing agency or any marketing agency where you run adverts for people and other businesses and brands, that's when you need to have a Facebook Business Manager. It helps you to manage all these multiple accounts. You put it in one place and be able to control them and have full control over them. So before we move forward, I would love us to know why we need this Facebook Business Manager. Why do we need this Facebook Business Manager? Like I said before, we need it to manage multiple accounts. We cannot, if you are somebody that manages up to 5 to 6 or 10 accounts, you cannot just do it by running advert through your ad manager. You need a Facebook as business manager. So that's why you need to, once you are doing it as an agency, you need to create business as manager. And also it helps you to assign roles to other people that will help you to do 1 or 2 on those accounts. You can assign roles, admin role, some employee role to people that will help you manage the account. And you can also add more users to the account. So this is what Facebook Business Manager helps you to do. So, and again, you can manage up to 25 ad accounts with your Facebook Business Manager. So that means you have an opportunity to manage up to or more than 25 ad accounts. And also Facebook allows you to create only 2 business manager accounts. It's only 2 business manager accounts you can create on your profile, on your account. So that's what they allow you to create. So now let's get into the business of creating a business manager. That's what we are here to do. And let's get into it right away. So if you want to start creating your Facebook Business Manager, what you have to do is just go to business.facebook.com/create. So let's do that right away. Let's open a page. So let's go to business.facebook.com/create. Okay, so that's it. So this is what will bring you to a business manager. So once you are here, the next thing you need to do is to create on this create account. So once you create it, you bring out this box where you type in your business name or account name. They give you an instruction that this should match the public name of your business, since it will be visible across Facebook. So that's your business name is what you're going to be putting in. So I'll be using one of my business name. Eagle Borough Media. Let's use that as an example. Then this is the name of the account where I created this business manager, Eagle Borough. So that's the name of the account where I created this business manager. And it will ask you to put your email. This email should be an email you use to conduct business, the company business. So let's use Eagle Borough 24 at gmail.com. So most times when you want to create this account, they may not allow you to create the account because you only have 2 slots to create this account, this business manager account. You only have 2 slots to create it in your profile. So let me see whether I can be able to create it. Submit. No, unable to create. I think I've reached my limit, yes. So I've reached my limit. So what we'll do now, let's just go straight to the account. So once you create the account, you want to access the account, you go to business.facebook.com. Business.facebook.com. That's where you go to once you have created the account. So we are there right now. So this the 2 accounts I have. This place the right zone. Under it, you will see the accounts you have. I have Eagle Borough Digital and I have Google Umeboro. So I've already used my 2 slots. So let's use this one for what we are doing today. Let's click on that Google Umeboro. So it will come out and we'll go to add account settings. Add account settings. So when we go to add account settings, it will say add account rules. So let's click on open business settings. Like I said, most of these things we are seeing today may change if you're watching this video maybe in the next 6 months, because Facebook always change the features of this platform. So as the time when this video is recorded, so this is the future, this is how the platform looks like. So when we get here, there are a lot of things here, but the things we are going to be taking 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 of them to explain properly. So one of them is this first point, users. When you click on these users, you will see people, partners, and system users. So on people, what you do on people is you can add access. So kind of tasks, what you want people to do for you. So that's what you can do here. Then partner, if you have a partner, you can also add the partner here. Facebook can make provision for you to add a partner. Then system user, I don't have anyone. So this one is the users in the system. So if you want to add them, add them. So another place we want us to look into is on the app, below the account. So here we have pages, add accounts, and business asset groups. So let's go to pages. Pages where you add your business page. You know, when you come to this add account, it's just an account created, but you need to add a Facebook business page for you to be able to do whatever you want to do with it. So let's click on this add. If you click on this add, to tell you to add a page. To add a page is for you to add an existing page, the page you have already created before. Or maybe somebody wants you to manage his or her account for her or him. You will now add that page to your account here, to your business account manager. But you can also request access to the page. Somebody wants you to manage his page. You can now search for the page here. Click on this place, search for the page, and send. The person will now approve it, accept it on his end. So that's what you can do here. So but here, let's bring on account that has been created already. The business page that is already in existence. So let's click on this and go to, let's bring up Eagle Borough Media. Look at it here. So once you click on the account, this is a business page that's already existing. So once you click on it, you say add page. So the page will be added. So I have 2 pages here. So the next one is ad account, but we are going to be talking about that ad account in some minutes now. So let's just leave it for now. So the next thing here is that you can link your Instagram account to the pages you have here, the page you selected, because whenever you are working, make sure you know the page you are working on, the one you selected you are working on. And you can also add the WhatsApp account. This is when you just click Instagram account, say add, they will now ask you to put your Instagram account, connect your Instagram account, and put your password and add it. Then the next one is data sources. This one is for catalogs and events, share audience. I want to bore you with all this. Then the next one is brand safety. This is where you link you verify your domain. If you have any domain, any website, you can verify it here. Then they have registration, new pages, integration, these assets, then payment method. We'll talk about this one when we are talking about ad account, security center, request. This is when if people send you a request or you receive a request or an invitation you see it. Then another thing I want to talk about is this business info. When you come here, you can edit your business, your legal name of your business. This is the name of my business, Eagle Technologies. So you can put it there, the address, number, the website, and also go ahead and verify it if you can be able to give them all the information they need. Then the next thing here is, this one is very important, but it's related to ad accounts. So every business manager has a limit of ad account you can create. So this one is, the limit of this one is 3. Some accounts, some new accounts will be only 1. You have only 1 ad account to put. So that's it. Then this is security, 2-factor authentication. If you want to put it, and also put your email, verify your email. So these are the things you can do on this business info. So again on these people, you can assign roles. Like I made mention of it, you can assign business roles to people you want them to help you in doing their work for you. So here you have invite people, ask people to join your business by entering their email address. So you can enter their email address and ask them to do one role or the other. They can do it as an employee, give them an employee access, or an admin access. Admin access is that they have full control, but an employee access is that you have some things you allow them to do, not everything. So can I either choose anyone and go next? The person will now accept the invitation and become either have an admin access or employee access. So you can do that when you click on people, click on add, now assign roles to people. So these are the things you can do on your business manager. So let's go back to ad account and talk about ad account. Like I said, I want to make this video very simple and practical. So ad account is what we need to create, to run any advert on Facebook. Without any ad account, you cannot run Facebook ad. But fortunately, whenever you create a business page, Facebook will give you a default ad account for you to run advert. That's why whenever you create a business page, you can always go ahead immediately and run your advert, because you have a default ad account that is being assigned to that page you just created. So Facebook ad account helps you to run Facebook advert. Without it, you cannot run Facebook advert, because it helps you to pay for your adverts. It's through your ad account you can pay for your adverts. those money you put, that time you bring out your card to put money or let them charge from your card, is through your ad account you are doing that. So these are the things the ad account do for you. Without the ad account, you can't run any advert. So I want us to go ahead to create this ad account. How do we create this multiple ad account? How do we create it? Like I said before, if you want to create this ad account, you also go to business.facebook.com. Facebook is a social media platform, but they also have Facebook for business. That's where they do their business and rake in a whole lot of money every year from advertisers. So when you come here, this is the two ad managers I have, the business managers I have here, the two of them. So like I said, I'm working with this Ugo. So when you select it, you come to add account settings. Add account settings. Add account settings. So when you come to this place, then you now open add account roles, open business settings. Open business settings. Just pay attention to all this. It's pretty simple and straight to the point. So to load, and you now, like I said before, come to the account, click on add account. So when you click on this add account, you now say add account. Already, like I said, this my page has a default ad account. This is a default ad account that comes with any business page you create. Once you create any business page, it comes with a default ad account that can enable you to run adverts immediately. So, but it's not good to only depend on that default ad account, because Facebook sometimes may ban your account or suspend your account. And when they do that, it will be very difficult for you to run an advert unless you rectify the problem with them or you create a new Facebook, which is not good for your business. So it's always better for you to create another ad account. It's better for you to create another ad account, even if giving you that default one. Go ahead and create an account. You can create, I think they allow you to create up to maybe 3-4 ad accounts. Depends how strong your account is. 3 to 4 ad account. That's what they allow you to do. So you click on this add. You now say add an ad account. Your business will control campaigns and billing for this ad account. Claiming an ad account moves into business manager. So you can see what ad account does. Control campaigns and billing for your listing. So you can also request for ad accounts for other people. Or if you don't have anyone, you can create a new one. So for the purpose of this video, let's create a new ad account. Let's create a new ad account. So you click on create. Click on create ad account. So you type your ad account. Maybe I'll call the ad accounts. Let me call it Google. For the purpose of this video, Google Media. So you choose your time zone. This is very, very important. It depends when you are running this advert. So you need to select your time zone. So I'm doing this in Nigeria. So this is my time zone plus 1 GMT. Then the next thing you need to do is selecting your payments. Most people are saying, some people say dollar account is better than our account, but for me, two of them are very okay. Depends on what you want. Two of them are very okay for you to run account. Naira account will deliver, dollar account will deliver. So I normally use Naira account. I use my Zenith Bank MasterCard. They do awesomely well. And also, I can also recommend Access Bank and First Bank virtual card. They're very, very wonderful. Then if you want to use dollar account, it may cause a problem for us in Nigeria, but there's a way around it. You can use Barter by Flutterwaves. Barter can help you to create a dollar account. You can create an account with them and create a dollar account, which you can use to create this account. So anyone you choose to use, either you have a Zenith Bank MasterCard, GT Bank is okay, Access Bank, First Bank Visual Card, or Barter by Flutterwaves. Anyone you have can do it for you. So we'll go next. So this other account will be used for this, for my business. So these are the things you need to pay attention to. So it will be using for my business. This will go maybe. If you're using it for another business or client, you click this one. So you say create. Come on. Okay, so the account is created right now. So what you have to do now is just to select the account and give it full control. That's it, full control. Sign. So once you have created the ad account, the next thing it will ask you to do is to add payment information. Like I said in this video, one of the things ad account does for you is to help you pay for your ads. It helps you pay for your ads. So without your ad account, you cannot pay for your ads. So you now click add payment info. Now click add payment info. So my location is Nigeria, and I'm using Nigerian Naira. Like I said, you can use dollar, you can use US dollar, depends the one you have. And this is my time zone, so I'll go next. So here, you select, if you're using a dollar account, you can use okay, that is Naira account now. I'm using master. So I'll click on my debit and create account. I don't have any account, add account to claim. So I just select my debit account. Now go next. So this is where you put your name on the card and account number and your month and year and your CVV. So once you do this, you click save. For security purposes, I'm not going to put it. So that's all you need to do, just to bring out your card, your Visa card, your MasterCard, either say the GT or Access or First Bank visual card. These are the ones I can recommend. Or if you are going for dollar, if you're in Nigeria, you don't have a dollar account yet. But if you have a dollar account, you can use it to do it. A domiciliary account, you can use it to create the account. But if you don't have a dollar account yet, you can make use of Barter by Flutterwaves. Once you sign up with them, they will give you something that will help you to create a dollar account and fund it and use it to do whatever you want to do. You can use it to pay for your ads. Very well. So once you click on this, save, you save your payment into your ad account. Save your payment there immediately. So one of the things again you can do here is you can come to your payment method. If you want to see what you have there, you can add it if you have not added it before. You can come back here and add your payment info. If you have not added it before, add a payment method. That thing we did before. So let's say you have not created before. You have created the ad account before and you want to add this. You come here and add your payment info. This is what we did before. So you do it. So these are the things you can do with your ad account. Once you are done with putting in your payment info, the ad account is as good as running ad for you. So all you need to do is just go ahead, do your ad, make your offer, have your best offer, your best creatives, and start running your ad. So in the next video, we'll be going into how to run ad for small businesses. How do you run your first ad as a small business? That's what we are going to be doing in the next video. So I want us to, stay glued to this channel. So next video will be talking about how you can run your first advert as a small business. How can you do that? So that's what you're doing in the next video. So I hope you got value from this what we did today. I hope you got value of how to create multiple ad accounts, how to create Facebook Business Manager, and how to create ad accounts. I said before, without ad account, you cannot run any ad. You cannot be able to run any Facebook ad, and it helps you to make payments for your ad. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you are getting value from this channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the like button so as to enable other people who may like this kind of video to see it. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And also turn on the bell notification to get video as soon as it drops on this channel. So thank you.